Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am trading on iqoption with my strategy. You can see I have placed here a trade of $80 to downside, and according to my strategy I am sure that I will win this trade because here was a resistance level and market is coming down with the momentum. Therefore I have placed trade on downside. 5 seconds remaining. You can see I have won this trade. Let me find another one trade. If you want to get my secret strategy or want to trade with us, you can text me on WhatsApp number that you're seeing on screen. From this point, if market go to upside and return to this line, I will place the trade to higher. You can see candle is going to upside. If this candle return a little below, then I will place a higher trade here. Currently market is stuck and coming downside a little more. Yes, okay, I have placed a trade and I'm sure 100% sure that candle will close upside from this level because this is here is a support level and market crossed it two times, and now again market retracing this level. Therefore I have placed to trade upside. As you can see we have won this trade, and let me show you my trading history. You can see these are my trades, and I will place another one trade if there is a good yes. Here you can see here was a resistance level and market crossed it with momentum. Now market was again retracing this level, therefore I have placed a trade to downside of $80, and after this trade my daily targets will be completed. I trade 10 to 15 trades in a day to achieve my target. This is my last trade of today target, and as you can see I am winning this trade. I am sure of on my strategy that will win, and my strategy working minimum 90%. You can see we have on this trade and my daily target achieved today. If you like my strategy, like the video, and if you want my secret personal strategies, you can text me on WhatsApp, or you can also trade with us. Like the video and subscribe my channel.